What up, y'all? Just got up. We're fixing to work out. I'm gonna run up my hill here. It's freaking like 10 acres of land goes up and then it flattens out and then it goes up again. So I get two like real good hill runs, and then I'm gonna come back down here and do some bars because we're in a hurry. We're trying to get out on the boat. We got a lot of people hitting us up, so I'm trying to get out there and party and whatnot and raise some hell. Just got done with my run. Normally I go to Gold's Gym. I'm in a super big hurry, so like I got this old weight bench set, you know, I bought a couple years ago. It's all rusty and nasty now, but whatever. Hey, it still gets the job done. I'm not a bodybuilder, so I don't really know what I'm doing, but I know it's doing something because I'm losing weight and gaining muscle.
Macho man, yeah. I've got to be a macho.
When I'm done with my workout, this is what I like to do. I like to come over here and just fucking take a random watermelon, smash that bitch, and then you grub out. Odin, come here. Me and Odin in the workout, eating a watermelon. Great hydration. It's good for you. All right, y'all. It's time to go get a shower and get out on the boat. We gotta go. All right? Look, we got to go. All right? People behind us are running it. Look, hey, we gotta go. We got the bodyguard up in here. Old Chat Dog. Right? What's up? Is that Chris? Hey, where the fuck put my hat? All right, go up.